everybody, my name is Morgan. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I moisturize my Microlocs. If that sounds good, just keep watching this video. I know it's been a minute, but now I got to come through with the Microloc content because I'm on a journey. By the way, y'all, I am not feeling good. My lymph nodes are throat. Is that what they call it? My throat is swollen. Hair still needs to be moisturized. So this is literally what I do every day. I take my hair out of my bonnet. I don't want my locks to be dry, and I feel like whenever I do this, they look instantly hydrated. And I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about, so just stay with me. This is what my hair looks like straight out the bonnet. I ain't did nothing to it yet. What I do every day is just wake up and I just shake my head. I really could just go like this to do whatever it is I'm gonna do, but I don't. I usually moisturize it first. I run my hands through it. The reason I shake my hair a lot is because if there's like lint in my hair or anything like that, I want to get it out. And I also have a pit bull and her hair has got caught in my locks. You know, I've seen some of her hair and I've been like, oh wait, gotta get that out. So I shake my hair a lot. I'm sure for those of y'all who have had locks for a minute, y'all know what I'm talking about. My hair just be collecting any old thing in it. This is what the hair looks like before I start spraying it and moisturizing it. The first thing I'm gonna do is separate. This don't have to be perfect at all. Like, I'm probably gonna look goofy, but this is really how I look when I do it. In my recycled spray bottle, this is actually distilled water and aloe vera juice mixed together like half and half. And I literally just shake it up a little bit and then take it and I start at the bottom and just kind of work my way up. And that's that. I kind of squeeze the mist on my hair because I just want to make sure it's getting in there. I typically do this really fast. This don't take me very long. Now I'm gonna move up a little bit higher. And I'll just keep doing the same thing until all of my hair is complete. Now I want to do this in real time so you guys can see it really doesn't take a long time to give your locks some moisture. And I feel like over time, my hair has been looking way better just doing this. And I want my locks to be nice. So I take the time real quick out my day to just do this. Sometimes when I'm lazy, I just kind of spray it while it's down. If I don't feel like, you know, really trying to go in and really give it that individual attention. But this is quick. You can even just skip the hair scrunchies like I just did. I just threw it because, hey, I'm almost done. And I just keep going. This don't gotta be a long thing. You know, locks is supposed to be low maintenance, but it's not no maintenance. You still gotta do something if you want it to look nice, in my opinion. And this ain't nothing compared to, you know, when I used to have to detangle my hair, and if my hair is not done when I wake up, like my hair is already done when I wake up. I just gotta do a little something. And I really don't mind this. Y'all let me know in the comments below, do y'all spray your locks every day? Why or why not? This is what I do. But I would love to hear the input of others in the lock community. And it might sound like I'm spraying it a lot, y'all, but I'm not. Like, my hair is almost already dry on this part. So it's just me misting it. Nothing crazy, nothing too fancy, just a nice mist. Going through and making sure they are hydrated. I hope everybody out there is doing okay. I know it's starting to get, I know that this weather is starting to change up, and this is when people start getting sick and stuff, like me. So I hope everybody out there is doing okay. right, that is it. That is literally what I do to my hair every if I don't do it in the morning, I do it in the afternoon because I don't want it to be damp at all by any chance when I go to sleep, because I don't want no mildew. But yeah, this is what I do to my hair every single day. I just give it a little spray, a little spritz, a little mist to keep everything looking nice. Very low maintenance, literally shake and go type of stuff. Like if you want it to be really lazy, like, because I am lazy sometimes, I just take my bottle and I do a little, you know, run through, give it a little something, and then I'm out the door. I really just did this so you could see it really don't take long to hydrate your locks. If that's something you want to do what is best for you and best for your hair. If you found this video useful, go ahead and make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel to keep following my Microloc journey. 3 months in now. Wait, actually no, I'm 4 months in. I lost count. I'm 4 months into my loc journey. Wow, that's crazy. That was fast. Light bulb. Stay tuned to see my Microloc playlist after this video. I appreciate all the love and support, and until next time, bye bye.